Pabo flea market. We're at the Jing market. It's a flea market, and it's got, like, as far as I can understand, handcrafts and a farmer's market and produce and food. It's massive, much bigger than the coconut grove that we just went to. Should we go sit down? Or should we gonna keep going? Look, it's just all stuck together. There's just not a good mechanism for eating it. It's a sticky rice pancake with brown sugar. I couldn't resist. I haven't had any Western food really since I've been here. Fried tofu.
Taro's really.
Taro. Right. This thing is like the sauce it's come with. I don't even know how to explain that. It's like short crust pastry. I got a bit of short crust pastry, like an egg, a salted egg bun. I already know it's not going to be my kind of thing.
No, it's not salted egg. It may be salted egg, but it's really good. So good.
What is that? Seriously, what is that? That's not salted egg.
Okay.
Oh, it is salted egg. Why does it taste so different? No. It almost has like a petrol taste. It does? What are these? This is the tofu.
Taro.
Taro.
It's like taro chips.
Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's just fried tofu, fried taro. Zongzu. It's Zongzu. I don't know if you can see properly. There's like should I try it first? Sweet potato. Sweet potato zongzu. Yeah, sweet potato zongzu. Let's go for whatever these are now. They look like they're wrapped in coconut, so I'm expecting sweet and maybe salty. Are they good? Is this egg roll? The egg rolls.
But coconut egg roll.
Coconut egg rolls with sesame.
So fancy.
They're like coconut wafers. Really good. Oh. Salted mochi with coconut. Salted coconut mochi. Oh, really good. See what's salted and coconut inside here. This is the glass jelly with coconut.
I probably keep this. I'll keep this. Our drink.
It is
Chicken basil.
chicken basil. So it's almost like a pad crapao.
Yeah. Wow.
So it's a pad crapao bao.
Yeah.
Pad crapao.
Is it funny?
You're not happy about pad crapao. It's not good.
What's that?
I don't know. It tastes like medicine. It is like medicine.
Bitter.
Yeah.
You get very strong bitterness.
It's like a weird herbal. It tastes more like medicine. I like pad kra pao. This is pad kra non. Lo Shufan river snail. This is your super egg on top of your lo shufan. Your river snail noodles. And we've got the fried tofu skin. Let's crack on top of it. And some pork. Roast pork. And you've got some chicken and duck beefy coming.
Is it under this?
Oh, is it under it?
Let me see. I'll show you. Here.
Have a look. Ah, okay. Okay, so you're definitely looking forward to your lo shufan.
Oh wow.
You're gonna have to try it first and let me know what you think. And then I'll have a go as well.
Oh, it's different from...
It's different from the ones we've tried. Oh, come on then, let's give it a try. Wow. Wow. It's not too different from what we tried. But it's damn spicy. So spicy. Is that duck beefy?
I don't know.
It looks like a duck beefy. It's a bit bigger than chicken. First real taste of lo shufan. I've had fake lo shufan. It's so spicy, so greasy. The sauce is very, very heavy grease. You can see it on the plate. Eating a duck beefy.
So hard to eat. The chicken one is almost like loose, detached from the bone, but the duck one's very hard to chew.
It's like fried egg, and then there's like deep fat fried egg.
It's super deep fried egg.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
It's better than the. It's actually my first time to try fresh lo shufan. It's always packaged previously. More spicy, definitely. Actually, it's not that stinky
No, it's really not that stinky.
because it tastes a very strong
We
ferment.
could smell it when we sat down, but it's not like a bad, overwhelming smell. It's a distinct smell, isn't it?
Distinct flavor is actually from this fermented bamboo. It tastes, I think because they probably made in house, so it smells like less than the packaged one. Like actually, it tastes really nice. I really like it, but we ordered
Super spicy.
super spicy, so it's a little bit spicy, very very spicy. But I definitely like it. I really like this.
Yeah,
It's like
these are very fresh made, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are definitely homemade.
Yeah. You put it like in the soup and just carry it, so good. The soup is really nice. So what's your order?
I got a caramel latte. Iced caramel latte.
It's basically like a cocktail. It's espresso with honey and orange juice. It's like orange coffee.
Oh, okay. This is the third orange coffee you've had in Chiang Mai.
Oh my god, smell it.
Oh wow, it smells incredible. Is there orange zest on top? It looks like there's orange zest on top.
Oh, this one is really nice. This one is like a little bit like our homemade.
Oh yeah, it's like a cold brew. Like orange zest cold brew.
Really good.
Then got this. I saw the pound cake and I wanted to give it a try.
I'll take this.
Oh, feels a bit dry.
I've only been there for a while. Leave it. But how about the coffee?
Coffee's good. The pound cake is just a bit dry because it's been out a bit long. I mean, do you know what? It's actually spot on if you were going for a cheap cafe in the UK pound cake. Bang on. It's like a lemon pound cake.
Cheap lemon.
Cheap lemon pound cake. Your drink looks incredible. It's even served in like a cocktail glass. Probably the fanciest coffee you've had since you've been here.
I like it.